Dog massage. The most important thing with dog massage is to listen to your dog. Every dog is a little bit different. Dora, the foxhound, for example, doesn't like some things, but likes other things. Her legs are a very sensitive area, especially her rear muscles. For most effective massage of her rear leg muscles, I like to take her leg in both my hands and sort of move my hand back and forth, loosen up those muscles. And then watch your dog for their response. Do they lean into the motions that you're making? Or do they ignore them completely?
Give me that antler.
Seems to be enjoying it a little more. Whoa, what's happening? Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Like that. She wants her antler back.
No.
Dora, do you want a dog massage? Nope. Gotta listen to your animal.
Hey.
Dora likes her ears massaged. Itchy ears. Her neck. She's not comfortable.